What's going on, y'all? Crazy Pop here, and today we are back on the Char Griller, the Akorn. Gonna get this thing fired back up. Man, we have a super good recipe today, but man, it's gonna be super simple. And I tell you what, this Italian meatball sub on the Char Griller Akorn is out of this world. We cooked something the other day. I'm like, I got to make a video of this, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, ringing that bell, hit that thumbs up, doing all that, because what we do here is we try to make very simple recipes, but very delicious recipes. So, please follow along. A lot of great stuff goes on here. If you don't believe me, look down below in the description. There's a recipe playlist. Look at all them recipes down there. We got a lot of things going on, a lot of new things coming up. If you have been here, man, thank you all so much for that support. We love you showing us, man. We really appreciate that. Also, if you're down there and looking at that playlist, also look down there. There's a Facebook, a Pinterest, an Instagram, a Twitter. There's a Gmail. There's a P.O. box. There's all kind of things down there. There's also links to a lot of our stuff that we use. So be sure to check all that out. And with all that being said, let's fire this thing up and let's show you what we're going to cook with, and let's get to eating. Okay, we got some lump charcoal in here. We got us a few pieces of some apple wood in here. Got some tumbleweed down here. Let's get that thing going. Get our stone on here. And get the grill grate on here. Let's close her down. We're gonna open our top vent on one, our bottom vent on one. And y'all, that should be about perfect. Set this thing up about 250, 300 degree temperature, and we're gonna be cooking. All right, while our acorn's heating up, we got to show you what we're gonna cook with and show you how we're gonna put these meatballs together. So check this out. What we have here before you is a half a pound of ground chuck, a half a pound of ground pork. I have 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I have 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. The rest of this, y'all, I did not measure except for 1 egg. I do know that's 1 egg. I cut up some fresh parsley to kind of garnish this with. And I have some fresh grated mozzarella cheese. Y'all look at that. We have 3 sub buns here. Hello. We're gonna put that in there. And we got some tomato, basil, garlic, pasta sauce. Now, you can use whatever kind of sauce you want. If you got a kind of sauce that you like to use, hey, use it. That's fine. This is just what we're going with. It's got a great taste. Tastes good on these meatball subs. Let's get it mixed up. Okay, you might want to glove up for this because it can get pretty nasty because we're going to mix this with our hands. Let's get to doing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and throw our ground beef and our pork in there. Tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. All right, y'all. Mix this all good together. We're gonna make us some meatballs. Y'all, I forgot something. Need some onions. So we have 2 tablespoons of onions that we'll dump in our mixture here. Now we can mix this up. All right, now what we want to do is just take a little bit of it and just kind of roll you out a meatball. That's kind of a little too big. Make them whatever size you want. Now remember, they will shrink up a little bit. I think that'll work right there. What y'all think? That'd be good? So, set them on a tray over here. Try to make them all about the same size, I think. Yeah, that'll work. Let's get all these made up. We'll pop them on the grill. And there you go. 8 meatballs. Now I thought we might have enough to make 3. Reason I got the 3 buns out, but we'll make 2. That's fine. Not a big issue. We'll clean our mess up and we'll pop these on the grill. Okay, y'all, we got the Char Griller rocking about 225. These meatballs are made up. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing though when I set the Char Griller. We set the bottom vent and the top vent on 1. Because I want these things to cook low and slow. I don't want to, I don't want to just cook them real fast. I want to get a little smoke flavor and, kind of just stay juicy and just, man, it's gonna be good. So let's get them on the grill. Oh yeah. These are gonna be good, y'all. Set them around here. Now remember, we do have that smoking stone in here, so these are cooking indirect. So if you do them on a different type of grill, that's fine. It don't have to be the Akorn. Just make sure you're doing them indirect. All right, let's close them down. Okay, meatballs are on. Ain't nothing left to do now but let them cook for a little while. We're gonna try to get them to a temp of 160. Once they're done with that, we're gonna pull them, put them on a sub. We're gonna build this thing. Okay, y'all, it's been about 30 minutes-ish. I really haven't timed it because I'm cooking more to temp. I just checked the temp on these things. They're running right at 160. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take them up, build our sandwiches. We're gonna put our sandwiches back on here, toast up that bread, melt that cheese. Y'all check this out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Got that char on the bottom. Oh baby. Yeah, buddy. These are gonna be good. I can already tell it. Let's get them over here. Let's take them to the table. Let's make us some sandwiches. Meatballs are cooked. We just got to get these sandwiches put together, put them back on here, get them melted, get that bread toasty. Oh, man, this is going to be so good. Okay, y'all, let's get this done. Go ahead and put your meatballs down in here. Oh, I don't know. We might be able to do three subs. We'll just do these 2 for right now. How's that? Made the meatballs a little bit bigger. Look at that. That's going to be good there, y'all. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put some of this sauce all over it. Yeah. Now use as much sauce as you want. Might have put too much on that one. So we're going to come back over here with some cheese. Some of this mozzarella. Man, look at that. That'd be good enough to eat like that. What you think? Now, I don't know about you, and you can do these like you want, but I personally love a bunch of cheese. Then we'll come back on top here, a little bit of parsley. Add a little bit of color to it. Look at that, y'all. Them are beautiful. Okay, y'all, sandwiches are made. We gotta get back on the grill, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this warming rack in this grill. Put these up here, get that bun toasted up, get that cheese melted, make these things good and hot. Man, let's get it done. You see the grill is still going. Get our warming rack installed. Let's get our subs on here, y'all. Okay, we're gonna let these go for just a few minutes, and we'll come back and check on them. Now, I don't know how long it's gonna take. I really don't. We'll give it just probably 3 or 4 minutes. We'll come back and check on them. Y'all, I think they're done. Let's pop the hood and look. Oh, buddy. Oh man, yeah, buddy. Oh, that bread's so toasted. Oh yeah. Y'all, it's time to get these up. Put them on the board, cut one open and eat it. All right, let's get these things up, y'all. Oh, look at that. Toasted bun. Oh, man. That thing want to fall open. Look at you. Look at you. Let's get you over here to the table. Okay, y'all. We got them took up. They're ready to try out. Now, how simple was that? Just don't do like I did and forget the onions. Remember the onions. Also, the recipe will be posted down below in the description. You know, before I dig into these things, I gotta let you know I am loving this thing from Char Griller. If y'all ain't never tried to cook on one of these, and look, I mean, this thing is hot. That's how well insulated this is. Y'all have to try one of these out. I'm loving this thing. But I tell you what, we gotta quit talking. We got to start eating. So let's dig into one of these. Y'all, look at that, look at that. I think I'm gonna take a knife here and I'm gonna cut this one right down the middle. Oh yeah, you're just gonna fall open over there. Look at you. Pop you back up. Look at that, y'all. Oh, sauce falling out the backside. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Y'all, I can't take it no more. Let's try it out. Uh-oh. Yeah, buddy. That's it right there. Sauce coming out everywhere. Oh, that Italian seasoned meatballs. Got a smoky little hint flavor to them. That mozzarella cheese. That sauce. Oh, it's perfect. That toasted bread. Y'all, you got to try this out. You really do. This is delicious. And if you do try it out, please let us know. Man, look at that. That sauce coming out the bottom. It's so good. So, with all that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please share it out. Remember, if you're new here, like, subscribe, comment, ring that bell, get all that stuff good. I can't even talk, I want this so bad. Get all that good stuff done. If you've been here, thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you next time.